Shika, where are you? Out your acha the time it is oh okay dot 11:29 the time will be over huh.
Then please show the number 1.
It is already on the screen. Are you able to see? I am mute yourself. Who is talking? Just mute yourself.
Alvira.
All of you are able to. Alvira, mute yourself. All of you are able to see screen.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, over. I am a even number come just after the what? This
Of two-digit odd number.
okay.
Achha, let me read all the questions. Huh? First one, I am an even number comes just after am I. The first question. The second question, when 2 is multiplied with any number, the resultant value will be an odd number. True or false? Is the statement true or false? Okay. The third, the gap between two even numbers is always dash. The options are given over there, even or odd. Okay. Odd numbers is always even or odd. You have to write the actual answer. Sum of the smallest two-digit number and the largest two-digit number is equal to. Okay. Number sixth one. Number sixth one. 2 toy cars out of 7 are painted by Shreya painted 2 toy cars out of 7. So painted toy cars in fraction will be what? You have to do fraction. Okay. Now question number 7. The place value of 6 in 263 is dash even or odd. Number 8 one. 8 into an odd number is even or odd. Sorry. For question number 8, there are 2 options. 8 into an odd number is equal to the options are even or odd. Okay, these are the options. You have to write in this blank portion even or odd. Understood? Complete this. Up to 11:29 you have time. Anyone is there that I have to read or I have to explain the statement? Alvira, Aratrika, Rishit, Shuprit. No need to explain the statements though. Acha. Shreyam, Rishabh, any question? In any question, do you have doubt? Debatam, Pushpak, acha. Shreyam, which question? Question number 1. Acha, okay. Question number 1, it is given I am an even number. Okay. That means about me, the description is given I am even number. Now, I am coming just after the first 2-digit odd number. First 2-digit. 2-digit means 2-digit is starting from 10 though. But 2-digit odd number, 10 though even odd number first. Number, then after the number immediately successor will be the answer. Okay, Shreya? Achha. Pushpak, don't talk with anyone. You have to do yourself. With whom you are talking? Achha, Aditya, Shuhana, Devi, no doubt is there though. Lamia, Anubhav, Sheikh Tamanna and Riddhima. Question is okay? Achha. Achha, you will submit your answer in the assignment section. Okay. Today, before 2:30 p.m. Before 2:30 p.m. Okay. I'll create a blank assignment. I'll create there a blank assignment. There you have to submit the answers. Okay. The deadline is 2:30. Who will not submit within 2:30? Okay, I'll call their parents. Got it? All of you understood though? If you are not submitting within 2:30, then I'll call your parents. Okay? And don't worry, the answers and the explanation I'll upload, but after 2:30. First, you have to submit your answer, then I'll upload. Sheikh Jisham Ali, what happened? Anurag completed. Anurag. Ishan, Avigyan, Saptarshi, Alvi. There is no doubt though? No, okay. Good. Solanki, Rishabh, Mohammad Tarshid, Parnik. No doubt is there? Acha, okay. Fahim Ahmad, Shanvi, Anushrua. Any doubt? No. And Anushka, keep your camera on. Devatam, Shuhana doing.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
I do myself. On.
Good. On. Good. Pushpak, doing yourself. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Good. Acha, those who have completed, they can send me hand raise sticker. They can raise the hands. Those who have completed. Okay. Only within 12 or 13 minutes, you have completed 8 questions. Very good. And you have completed. I have given you 20 minutes, but you have completed within 12 minutes. So all of you are very much talented, yes? But the answer smart revision, huh? Those who have completed, I am telling Rishit or Aratrika, Alvira, Shuprit, just do make a revision, okay? Acha, Alvira, no need to show me the copy. Alvira, this is your test though. You have to submit it, huh? Don't show it in front of the camera. Then the other student will also see na, your answer. Acha. Raise their hand. They can send me that hand raise sticker. Acha, those who have completed, they will have to check their copy. Huh? The answer is already, the questions are already on the screen. So just check your answer, do make a revision. Those who have completed, do make a revision. Do make a revision. The other student, you only have 4 minutes. So complete it fast. Solanki did. No, okay, then complete it fast, better. Atrika, I cannot see you properly, sit properly. Yes. Kushal, keep your camera on. Kushal. Anushrua, Muhammad Riaz, keep your camera on. Otherwise, I will have to mark you absent. Anushrua, Muhammad Riaz and Kush. अच्छा, time up, huh? Fast.
Okay.
अच्छा, those Pushpak, Sheikh Tamanna, write table of 5. Those who have completed.
Complete. I am right the table of 5.
Alvira.
I am complete. I am right table.
Okay, if completed, yes, then table of 5. If completed, okay.